What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I have a brand new video today. It's going to be an unboxing of a Princess Auto motorcycle lift. I've been wanting to get this for a very long time. I found a wicked deal on it and I picked it up. Let's get right to it. Here we go guys, this is how the box arrived. It is a heavy piece, almost 300 pounds I think. It was a pain getting this out of the vehicle by myself. So just a quick reminder, if you're gonna do this, 2 people, save yourself. And I have my boys trying to help me today.
Hi. Hi.
So we're gonna get to unboxing this and give you guys as much information as possible.
Okay.
1, 2. Look what. Go. Like that. Pull that. 2 up. 1, 2 up. Alright guys, as you can see, I made the mistake of unboxing this upside down, so I have to try to put it on its face or the proper way. So far the wheel chuck, the end plate, all that is out. Looks well packaged. I don't think there's going to be any damage to this, so that's always good. So we're going to get to removing this from the box and setting it up. Alright guys, as you can see, with the help of my awesome boys, we have this out of the box and ready to be set up.
Anna. Yeah. Hello, I just got this set up and so we unboxed it and we're just starting to fix all of it.
Yeah, so we're gonna get it set up. I'm gonna give you guys a review of how this works. Alright guys, as you can see, I have it lifted up a little bit. I used the foot pump over there because for some reason the air is not working. I'm guessing it has to be bled more than likely. These are the attachments for the wheel chuck over there. And over here is the safety bar that goes in the hole over there, just to make sure it doesn't come down slamming on you while working. So I'm going to continue setting this up and give you guys a final idea of what it's going to look like. Alright guys, as you can see, it has 11 legs up front. I've leveled it, it's nice and sturdy, there's no movement, that's good. Over here, the air system would not lift this up, so I believe I need to bleed the system to get that going. And now I'm going to mount the wheel chuck up here, secure it in place, and let's get the motorcycle on here and see how it works. And now we're going to completely secure it. Next, we're going to assemble anchor points for the bikes when it's on. There's a whole bunch of nuts. I'm going to show you real quick what to do. So, as you can see, nut washer goes in like this, and then nut washers underneath. Just like that. Top has nut and washers, and the bottom has nuts and washers. I'm gonna go around and repeat the same process to get this done. lift, and I gotta tell you, I'm not very confident about that wheel chuck. It was very wobbly without the straps. There's no way I would advise anyone to have the motorcycle on this without having straps on. Alright guys, as you can see, the motorcycle is on the lift and it is working very, very good. I am impressed with that little pump over there. I don't think it's going to be able to do much with this bike. It only weighs about 430 pounds, I think. But very impressed. It did bring it up quite quickly. A couple of things I'm not really happy about is, one, as you can see over here, it's joined. So it's not one full panel, it's joined over here. It's not the worst thing, but you know, it would have been much better if it was one full panel. That being said, another thing, this did come with some damages, right? So as you can see over here, there is something, there are nicks here and there. There's one down there. I mean, you would expect some kind of decent packaging, but there's not much. It's not bad. It can be sanded and just spray painted a little bit, but there's lots of nicks and whatnot, what have you, all over this thing. So not bad. Again, like I said, it's just the small things. Over here for this mounting plate, I would have preferred that the bolts actually went through and you can fasten it down below with some washers and some nuts, but it doesn't. It just goes into a threaded plate, I guess you can call it. I might change that in the future, get some longer bolts and just drill it out and throw some nuts underneath just to secure it even better. And even for this one, as you can see, that's where it ends. You know, there's no nuts, just threaded plate over there. Again, I'm not very keen on that, but I guess it is what it is. And as you can see, another damage, another one. So I don't know what can be done about that. Like I said, there's lots of them all around for brand new items. So I guess the quality control is not quite there. Another concern of mine is that when I picked this up, this hose was routed in this way. Obviously not the best setup. So what I'm gonna do is leave it sitting the way it is and probably zip tie it down there, prevent it from moving around and possibly getting caught in something. With that being said, if you're gonna purchase this, try to make sure you get it on a sale. Don't pay full price for it. I don't think it's really worth the full price. Get it on sale and you'll be much happier, which is what I did. I got it on sale. Like I said, for the price, you can't really go wrong. For the sale price. I hope you found this video helpful at the very least. So see a thing or two that you might find useful. If you do plan to purchase this, like I said, make sure you purchase it when it's on sale. Save yourself a couple $100 that way. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment down below, subscribe, and don't miss out on good content like this. I'll be seeing you guys on the next one.